What's up guys? Today, I will show you guys how to build a skateboard. I broke my board last week trying to land a trick on a skateboard, and I really miss skateboarding. So, let's just go ahead and drive to the skate shop and get a new board.
I woke up blacked out on the porch, making too much noise. Up all last night, baby, up all last night. Party all night.
They were so nice, and they gave me a used skateboard without a grip tape. All I need to do is buy new grip tape for $11. Alright, before we put the grip tape, let me show you the parts of the skateboard. The trucks, the bearings, the wheels, spacer that goes inside the wheels, and of course, to cut the grip tape, you will need a razor blade. And to assemble the trucks, you will need this kind of tool. Or you can use a Phillips screwdriver, an adjustable wrench. I'm pretty sure every house has them.
I'm just wishing that you meet me in the middle. Won't you meet me in the middle? Where the
I like designing my grip tape, so I cut it in 3 pieces to expose the logo of the board.
I just want to speak a little with you. Will you meet me in the
Okay, grab the excess grip tape, put it together, and use it to sand the corners. This will prevent the grip tape from peeling off the board. For the next one, we need to use our screws to make a hole in the grip tape. Insert them from the bottom of the board like this.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you say.
Now grab your screwdriver and wrench to tighten up both sides.
Curious George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised.
Step 4. Put the washer first, followed by the bearing, and press it using both of your hands. Then put the other bearing with the spacer in between the bearings.
Caught in a circular combo.
To secure the wheels, put the washer and the nut and tighten it with the wrench. That's pretty much how you assemble a skateboard, and don't forget to clean your mess. I hope you guys learn how to build it by yourselves. Enjoy skating.